Bonjour les amateurs d'adrénaline. Bienvenue là où l'adrénaline rencontre l'excitation pure. Préparez-vous à plonger dans des poursuites palpitantes, des événements remplis de sensations fortes et des moments incroyables capturés par la caméra. Si vous recherchez des poussées d'adrénaline extrêmes, vous êtes au bon endroit. Faisons battre vos cœurs à toute allure.
Get down on the ground right now.
La police soupçonnait que le chariot avait été volé et a arrêté l'homme. Il affirmait qu'il lui appartenait, mais plus il devenait tendu, plus il s'approchait des agents d'une manière provocante.
Cocoa Beach Police Department?
I've seen you many times.
Yeah. I notice you're out with a Publix shopping cart right now, pushing it around.
I own Publix.
You own Publix?
I do.
Can I get 94?
La police a dégainé son taser, mais a rapidement opté pour une maîtrise physique alors que l'homme continuait à résister. Malgré ces insultes, les agents sont restés calmes et ont assuré la sécurité.
Okay.
Let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to
Okay.
walk away right now. Just
Well, no, you're not going to walk away. You're not allowed to walk
what are
away.
you going to do about it?
All right, you're not allowed to walk
What are
away.
you going to do about it?
All right,
You going to tase somebody?
get down on the ground right now.
You-
Get down on the ground. All right. Now get down on the ground.
You, I'm not getting
All
on the
right,
ground.
you are getting
Don't
down on
touch
the
me.
ground.
Don't touch me. You're assaulting me.
All right,
You're under
get
arrest.
down.
You're under arrest. You're assaulting me. You're under arrest.
All right.
I'm arresting you right now as a private citizen. You're under arrest. No probable cause to arrest me. You have no right to put handcuffs on me. No reason to put me in cuffs.
I sure do.
À la fin, l'homme a été arrêté pour agression, résistance et possession de biens volés, malgré ses cris et sa résistance acharnée.
Can I get you to grab that cart and wheel it to me over here?
Where's that at over
It's see the bushes, see the white beach parking sign?
La police a reçu un tuyau concernant un suspect recherché conduisant un SUV Mercedes noir. Lorsqu'il a été arrêté, il a accéléré dangereusement et a pris la fuite, déterminé à échapper à la poursuite.
All right, I'm gonna get on 95.
No, we go to stop him.
Yeah, just make PC road.
Espérate, parece que went northbound. Now it went northbound.
Fuck, no, it's not. Go the other you. Fuck me. Oh, no. All right, I'm myself, boys.
Northbound coming to Sunrise.
I'm right behind them. I'm right behind them.
You're behind it? Number one lane, eastbound on Sunrise.
I'm just off the ramp. Yeah, let me know that I'm waiting on you guys to catch up.
La police a tenté une manœuvre Pete, mais sans succès, car le suspect continuait à conduire de manière agressive. Lorsque le conducteur est sorti du véhicule, le passager avant a pris le relais et la poursuite s'est poursuivie.
I'm at 9th. I'm right behind. I'm right for you guys.
Okay, come. Hey, I got
Light it up, light it up, light it up.
Where are you?
1119 for 1031. Westbound on Sunrise, approaching 995. To the other side, put up to the other side. Be careful, be careful.
La police a réussi à exécuter une manœuvre PIT, provoquant le retournement du véhicule et son arrêt. Les suspects ont été immédiatement arrêtés et 3 armes à feu ont été saisies. Après un examen médical, ils ont été conduits en prison.
Okay, come. Hey, I got a perfect PC at Public Tiger Street. Hush. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Let's go right there. Go.
Okay, let me get on it. Pass it up. I got you. Hey, they're all gone. Go out the window. Go out the window.
La police a confronté un suspect de carjacking dans le comté de Clark, lui ordonnant de ne pas bouger et de garder les mains visibles. Alors qu'il s'approchait, le suspect a soudainement sorti une arme à feu.
Yeah. You're gonna get bit by the dog, dude. You're gonna get bit by the dog. That's a gun. Fast. Here. Knox, here. Knox, here. Dude, you're gonna get shot.
La police a ouvert le feu et Woods est mort sur le coup malgré les premiers secours qui lui ont été prodigués. Aucune autre blessure n'a été signalée. La suspecte a pris la fuite et la traque s'est poursuivie avec l'aide des unités K9 et de drones.
You're gonna get bit by a dog.
Get your hands out of the fight! Get back! You guys get back! Got something in his hand. Gun in his hand! You don't have a shot! No? Man, send the dog. There's people over there. Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Right there on the ground.
Well, what you laughing for? I'm writing your shit. Take it up.
Actually,
Yes.
people
What's your question? Huh?
no proof of full can. No.
Here,
Asking you
sit down
a
in the back.
question.
Sit down in the back.
No, I'm just asking you a question. Fucking out of here! No, stop!
Get out.
Stop!
Get out.
La police est arrivée sur les lieux après avoir reçu un signalement concernant un homme provoquant des troubles et brisant des vitres. À leur arrivée, il a jeté des objets sur la jante avant de se précipiter vers les policiers, armé d'un couteau.
Put it down now. Put it down. I'm not playing with you, Mrs. Scott. Mrs. Scott, put it down.
La police a tenté d'utiliser un taser, mais sans succès, ce qui les a contraints à faire usage de leurs armes à feu. Après avoir tiré, ils ont rapidement prodigué les premiers secours à l'homme et ont demandé une assistance médicale.
Did you throw the knife, Mr. Scott?
Throw the knife out, Scott.
Mr. Scott, try to throw the knife away, okay? So we can render aid. We want to render as much aid as we can, okay? Is that okay? Do you have anything on you, sir? No? Why don't you turn over, okay? No? Show me. Where's that? Let me get on the other side. Let me get on the other side. Let me get on the other side, okay?
Roll over, buddy.
Roll over, roll over. All right, I got you, okay? I got you.
Fuck wrong with your ass.
What's wrong with your ass?
Fuck wrong with you.
What's wrong with you?
Fuck wrong with you. What's
wrong with you?
Fuck wrong with your ass. Let's do it.
La police a approché l'homme qui montrait des signes suspects, mais il a soudainement résisté, frappé un agent, puis continué à fuir.
You gonna get us out? What's going on, man?
Fuck wrong with your ass.
What's wrong with your ass?
Fuck wrong with you.
What's wrong with you?
Fuck wrong with you.
What's wrong with you?
Fuck wrong with your ass. Get your ass out.
Come on. Where you going?
La police a poursuivi et maîtrisé le suspect après qu'il a craché sur un agent. Il a été placé en détention et fait face à des accusations d'agression et de résistance à son arrestation. Personne n'a été gravement blessé.
What's the deal, bud? Huh? What's the deal?
What's going on, man? Huh?
Come on, man. Let's do it. You didn't get him.
Come on, what's up? What's up? What's up? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Better turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back right now. Put your hands behind your back.
$2,200 watch it. You got the sauce?
You say 24? 224, and 13.